Hello viewer, welcome to my channel.
1. Beyond yarn and hooks, the enchanting beauty of crochet. 2. Stitching serenity, the therapeutic art of crochet. 3. Where yarn becomes art, exploring the beauty of crochet creations. 4. From simple loops to exquisite designs, the evolution of crochet beauty. 5. A tapestry of texture and color, the allure of crochet. 6. Stitching with sunlight, capturing the light in crochet. 7. Delicate threads, enduring beauty, celebrating the legacy of crochet. 8. More than just a hobby, the profound beauty of crochet. 9. Crochet, where creativity meets comfort. 10. A symphony of stitches, the musicality of crochet design. Poetic titles. 11. Whispers of yarn, a crochet love story. 12. The language of loops, a crochet codex. 13. Where dreams take form, the magic of crochet. 14. Hooked on beauty, a crochet odyssey. 15. Stitching the soul, a crochet's journey. 16. Ode to the craft, a celebration of crochet. 17. From humble threads to exquisite delights, the poetry of crochet. 18. Where fingers dance and yarn sings, the symphony of crochet. 19. A tapestry of time, capturing moments in crochet. 20. A crochet sanctuary, a refuge of creativity and calm. Intriguing titles. 21. Crochet, the secret language of yarn. 22. Unraveling the mystery, unveiling the beauty of crochet. 23. Stitching beyond the ordinary, crochet's unexpected delights. 24. The power of loops, how crochet transforms lives. 25. Crochet, the art of slow fashion. 26. Beyond utility, the artistic expression of crochet. 27. Crochet, a meditation in stitches. 28. The healing power of crochet, stitching for wellness. 29. Crochet, a legacy of innovation and sustainability. 30. Crochet, a window into cultural heritage. Humorous titles. 31. Hooked, 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 confessions of a crochet addict. 32. Yarn Stashes Anonymous, tales from the crochet community. 33. Confessions of a serial frogger, my adventures in crochet mishaps. 34. The Yarn Aholic Diaries, tales of crochet obsession. 35. Crochet fails and laughter, stitches that didn't go quite right. 36. When yarn attacks, the never-ending struggle for space. 37. Crochet, the only therapy that comes with a blanket. 38. My cat ate my yarn, adventures in crocheting with furry friends. 39. Forget Netflix, it's crochet time, the most addictive hobby. 40. Crochet, it's not just for grannies anymore. Bonus titles. 41. Crochet, a journey through time. 42. Crochet, connecting generations. 43. Crochet, a global art form. 44. Crochet, the sustainable choice. 45. Crochet, a gateway to creative expression. 46. Crochet, a celebration of individuality. 47. Crochet, more than just a hobby, it's a passion. 48. Crochet, a gift that keeps on giving. 49. Crochet, the art of transformation. 50. Crochet, a world of endless possibilities.
Thanks for watching.